Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, Jaden. I'm about to do something crazy, y'all. Somebody come stop me.
Just know I'ma be a legend. Ain't no telling when, but yeah, just know.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of this family. And if you are new, welcome to my channel where I give you DIY techniques. Yes, just DIY techniques on almost anything life related. And I say you do it yourself, because if I can do it, you surely can also do it. Now, today I'm in one of my spare bedrooms. Reason why I'm here is because I am so tired of this headboard. I am tired of this dark wood here, dark wood feel, and I want to do something crazy. I want to reupholster this headboard and make it more modern, make it lighter and more airy. I am letting go of anything dark and I'm bringing in the light into my life. So it's gonna be an exciting one. It's gonna be a twofold video. The first one, which is the one you're gonna be seeing today, is gonna be me reupholstering this headboard. The next one is gonna be the whole room transformation, whole room makeover. Now guys, when I say makeover or transformation, you know I go all out. You know I deliver. I bring out all DIY big guns. I have never done this before. Never. I don't know what has possessed me, but I do hope it works out. You guys are gonna come along with me and see if I actually manage to do this. Guys, wish me luck. This is how the room currently looks like. This is one of my spare bedrooms that I want to transform, and we have this headboard. Now, when I got this bed, this is when these sleigh beds were still in fashion, and you know, it was cool to have these, but I'm so tired of this dark wood, so I'm going to be working on this headboard, upholstering it. So yeah, now I have here the stuff that I bought. So to do the headboard, I went and got this sponge thing. I'll put everything I used in the description box. And then this is called batting. So if you want to buy this is batting. So the second layer will be this. This is the material I bought. I got contact adhesive, a paintbrush. So how it's gonna work is I stick this onto that, then that's using the glue and the paintbrush, and then I come with the staple gun and I upholster with this, stapling it to this wood, so that if you don't have a wooden frame like this, you would have to buy a board of the right size, and then you just use the staple gun to staple the material over these two. And yeah, that'll be it, guys. So I'm excited, guys. It's time to get creative and do this bed and actually do this project. It's gonna get messy, y'all. It's gonna get messy. There's this little piece here, which is like a ridge. This is how it looks when I've covered it all. At this stage, I'm not really worried about it being perfect, because this is just to create padding. This is just padding. Now I'm going to cover it with this. So this is how the padding looks right now. So this little section that's left here is going to go in here, and then it's going to come out this side. There's this flap here that I'll cut because I want it to be neat. So this is how it looks behind. I let it overlap. So what I'm going to do is the material is going to go right underneath here, and I'm going to staple it. I'm just going to do the back of it, and then I'll start with the stapling of the material. But I'm pretty happy with this. Padding of the headboard is almost done at this point. So now I'm just going to move to the back of it. And that's how it looks. Padded. So all I'm gonna do is pull these corners in. I'm gonna pull these corners in. I'm going to staple the back part here neatly, and like Jaden is saying, it will be super cool. Come here. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm done with this little corner here. Oh! This is how it's currently looking. The only part I haven't done is this bottom part here, the flap. So I'm gonna go pull it from underneath and staple that. But I'm happy with the alignment, and it's not good. Yeah, I'm happy with the alignment because that is what I'm a bit fussy about. And I'm gonna staple that last bit at the back. I have done the fold like I showed you guys on both sides. Sorry, I couldn't, like, camera wise it's almost impossible to do it. I've done these, so this is how it looks. And now I'm going to do this part here, staple it, and then cut it out. And here is the final product. It's nighttime now, so it's not all that clear, but we get the picture. The back is nice and neat. And this is how it now looks, having done the headboard. I love the feel of that. I love the feel of that. Yes. So guys, please make sure you tune in, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because next time what I'm doing is a whole room makeover. The headboard is done, that was the focus piece. Next week I am showing you guys a whole room makeover. This room will look absolutely nothing like this come the next time you see it. All right, hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section what you think I should do next. And before you go throw away your headboard or go buy a new one, consider doing this, guys, because it is simple. And if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that right now. Thank you, guys.